Hello everyone. In this video, we will see MCQs on carbohydrates. Which of the following is a monosaccharide? Sucrose, lactose, glucose, maltose. Answer is glucose. Which of the following carbohydrates is a disaccharide? Glucose, fructose, ribose, sucrose. Answer is sucrose. The general formula of monosaccharides is CnH2nON, CnH2ON, CnH2nO2, CnHnO2. Answer is CnH2nON. Which of the following is a non-reducing disaccharide? Maltose, lactose, sucrose, cellobiose. Answer is sucrose. Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar because the glycosidic bond is formed between the two anomeric carbons of glucose and fructose that blocks the reducing ends and it won't react with the reducing agent. Whereas maltose, lactose, and cellobiose are reducing sugars because at least one of these compounds are compounds anomeric carbon is free and that can participate in redox reaction. Which of the following disaccharides gives a negative result with Benedict's test? Maltose, lactose, sucrose, cellobiose. Answer is sucrose. Sucrose is a non-reducing and does not react with Benedict's reagent. And this Benedict solution is a deep blue alkaline chemical reagent which can be used to detect reducing sugars. This is the Benedict solution, copper sulfate pentahydrate, sodium carbonate and sodium citrate. This is Benedict's reagent. When it is added to the test sample and when it is heated, it will give, if sugars are present, it is going to turn into brick red color. Which of the following disaccharides is made up of glucose and fructose and it is non-reducing? Maltose, sucrose, lactose, trehalose. Answer is sucrose. Sucrose is formed of glucose and fructose. It's a non-reducing. Which of the following disaccharides has a glycosidic bond between alpha glucose and beta fructose? Lactose, sucrose, maltose, isomaltose. Answer is sucrose. Why is sucrose classified as a non-reducing sugar? It contains no hydroxyl groups. Its monosaccharide units are not joined by a glycosidic bond. Both anomeric carbons are involved in the glycosidic bond. It is a polymer of glucose. Both anomeric carbons are involved in the glycosidic bond is the correct answer. This prevents monosaccharides from converting into an open chain uh, to act as a reducing agent. Trehalose is a non-reducing sugar because it is not soluble in water. Both glucose units are free. Both anomeric carbons form a 1,1 glycosidic bond. It contains fructose. Answer is both anomeric carbons form a 1,1 glycosidic bond. This bond prevents the ring from opening, making it non-reducing. Which carbohydrate is taken as the reference compound for determining the configuration of other monosaccharides? Glucose, fructose, glyceraldehyde, ribose. Answer is glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde is the simplest chiral carbohydrate and it is used as the reference molecule to determine the D and L configurations of other monosaccharides based on the spatial arrangement of atoms around its chiral carbon. The carbon atoms involved in the formation of oxazone are 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Answer is 1 and 2. Oxazone formation occurs when reducing sugars react with the excess phenyl hydrazine. The reaction involves the carbonyl carbon at C1 and the hydroxyl group at C2. So this is why sugars like glucose, fructose and mannose form the same oxazone as they differ only beyond the second carbon. The following polysaccharide is composed of beta glycosidic bonds: starch, glycogen, dextrin, cellulose. Cellulose is the answer. Cellulose is made up of beta 1,4 glycosidic bonds between glucose units, making it structurally rigid and indigestible by humans. In contrast, starch, glycogen, and dextrin are composed of alpha glycosidic bonds, which are easily broken down by human digestive enzymes. Which of the following glycosaminoglycans serves as an anticoagulant? Heparin, hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfate, dermatan sulfate. Answer is heparin. Heparin is a highly sulfated glycosamine glycan that acts as a potent anticoagulant. It enhances the activity of antithrombin 3. It inhibits thrombin and other clotting factors, preventing blood coagulation. Other options like hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfate, and dermatan sulfate have structural and lubricating functions in connective tissues but do not act as anticoagulants. Which of the following is not an aldose? Glucose, galactose, mannose, fructose. Answer is fructose. Aldoses are monosaccharides with an aldehyde group at carbon 1. Glucose, galactose, and mannose are all aldoses. Fructose is a ketose as it contains a ketone group at carbon 2. Ribose and deoxyribose differ in structure around a single carbon, namely C1, C2, C3, C4. Answer is C2. Ribose has a hydroxyl group on the C2 carbon, whereas deoxyribose lacks this hydroxyl group at C2, having only a hydrogen group. This single difference at C2 makes ribose suitable for RNA and deoxyribose for DNA. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.